Hey, what's up, everybody? This is your boy XRPD, and I am back with another video. That's right. Welcome to the Altcoin Hustle channel. And I want to thank everybody for watching the videos, commenting, supporting the channel, man, and continue to please support. Share this video, give it a thumbs up, because this is going to be an important video to help you guys, man, become better investors. I can feel it, man. I'm so excited. Let's go ahead and get into it. So what am I talking about today? I'm talking about Agix, the crypto AI token. That's right. And how you can earn more. That's right. I just discovered this myself, and I wanted to share this with you guys. That way, if you guys are interested in earning more Agix tokens, you can take full advantage of this. So I'm excited. Let's go ahead and get into it. So really quickly, what is Agix, right? So Agix is a crypto AI token. Company Singularity Net created this token. They're an AI-based company that's created the first AI-based blockchain. That's right. So I'm very bullish on the moves they're making. They partnered with Cardano recently. So they're making a lot of big moves. They're being noticed more by people, by investors, right? Taking them more seriously. So definitely, I feel a power player when it comes to not just crypto, but AI. And when you combine the AI and combine the crypto and the blockchain, man, I feel like that's something powerful. So yeah, let's talk about this, man. So this AI token, AGIX, right? How to earn more. You can go to Singularity Net and you can actually stake these tokens. That's right. What is staking? So essentially, just in layman's terms, you stake by putting a certain number of crypto in a certain space, and it just to kind of break this down, it could be a wallet or something like that, like a crypto wallet, right? And you leave it in for a certain amount of time, and it earns, for lack of better terms, interest, right? You earn more crypto when you leave a certain amount of crypto in a certain wallet or space where that crypto can go to work, right? And Singularity Net is giving investors the opportunity to stake these tokens, and I want to give you some breakdowns of how this is going to work, essentially, right? So let's go ahead and get into it. So how to earn more AGIX Singularity Net tokens, right? Essentially, how it works is you stake the AGIX tokens in 30-day sessions, essentially. And then from there, when you stake these tokens, what Singularity Net does is they use these tokens to fulfill blockchain transactions on the Singularity Net platform while they're being held in these 30-day sessions, right? At the end of these 30-day sessions, you can either continue to stake these coins, to vest or withdraw those tokens along with any rewards that you earn during that period. So let's stop for a second. That's powerful. And a lot of you guys may know how this works already, right? I personally didn't know that you can actually stake AGIX tokens. So I'm excited about this, right? You can actually, I went to Singularity Net's website, singularitynet.io. You can do the same, get way more information. This is just nuggets, right? But you can get a lot more information about their process and how they stake these tokens. But I wanted to give you just an overall view, right? So what are some of the benefits of staking AGIX tokens, mainly for Singularity Net? So the first benefit is just supporting the platform, right? Active in platform operations. So you're showing support to this platform, Singularity Net's platform, supporting the AI movement, supporting this crypto that is an AI-based crypto based on a AI blockchain, which is powerful if you're a believer in what they're trying to do. Then, hey, why not support the platform? The second benefit is you're supporting adoption. State tokens will allow ordinary everyday business to use marketplace through a fiat gateway, that improves the platform. So you're supporting adoption, right? Innovation, right? That's what AI is about, man. AI and tech, it's about innovation. That's what this is all about. So when you combine AI, tech, innovation with crypto innovation, come on, man. You're talking moon status to me. That's why I'm dropping these videos. I'm super bullish on not just the crypto, but also the people behind it, Singularity Net. So yeah, man, it's a powerful movement. The third and final benefit, very simple. You earn rewards, right? So they're saying, hey, you support the platform as an investor. You support adoption that we're doing, innovation that we're doing. We're going to reward you for supporting us, is what they're saying in layman's terms, right? You earn more AGX tokens that you can put to use. You can reinvest. So it's a powerful thing, right? Very powerful thing. And you have to think about it from this standpoint. So Cardano, which, lately has been on fire, has a partnership with Singularity Net. Please check out some of my other videos. I go into detail on how the partnership works with Cardano. But I'm saying that to say that, listen, if Cardano could see the potential in Singularity Net and this AGX token, how come we can't see it? It's AI-based blockchain. Cardano is trying to build and reach out when it comes to AI and an AI platform and crypto in Africa. So they can see, so they saw Singularity Net as a useful partner and vice versa. Listen, Cardano is coming out with a converter. I've talked about this on numerous videos in my shorts and other videos on my channel. But that converter is meant to convert Ethereum tokens over to the Cardano blockchain. And guess who their first partner is to utilize this converter? That's right, Singularity Net. So what do you think is going to happen when Singularity Net's tokens, AGI, is converted to Cardano, where they can get access to crypto transactions with lower fees and also at a higher rate of speed? That's the purpose of why the CEO is very bullish on Cardano. He wants these AGIX tokens to be very low in cost of fees and more efficient, faster when it comes to transactions. So listen, man, at the end of the day, this is awesome. And while we're waiting for this moon status with this AGIX token, we can be staking our tokens and earning, right? So this is not financial advice, but I highly recommend looking into this. This is a great way while we're waiting for this thing to shoot through the moon to still earn AGIX tokens. All right. So, hey, listen, thank you guys so much for everything, all the support. Appreciate it. And until next time, this is your boy XRPD saying, let's all go to the moon together. Moon money.